Heads up Power BI users, starting December 2026, Power BI will deprecate the Q&A feature and fully shift to Power BI Copilot, offering a more advanced, AI-powered way to query and interact with your data. Why the change? Microsoft is moving to Copilot to remove overlapping features and deliver a more modern, intuitive, and consistent AI experience across Power BI. What's affected? All Q&A experiences, reports, dashboards, and embedded analytics, along with Q&A setup, will be phased out. Deprecation timeline. By December 2026, all Q&A visuals and setups will be removed, and existing ones across reports, dashboards, mobile, and embedded scenarios will no longer function. What should you do next? Start transitioning to Copilot and chat with your data, giving you a more powerful and seamless way to explore insights across Power BI. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.